Are you tired of high fees from loaders for bank drop services? You can open a card premium bank account for free. Let's explore how to do this step by step. The Card Premium Bank Account is a convenient checking account. It's established by Password, NA, and is accepted everywhere Visa debit cards are. This account offers comfort, security, and privilege. To create your Card Premium Bank account, you'll need some information. Gather your social security number, name, date of birth, and address. Use a VPN, ideally PIA. Create an email that matches your SSN details, and have a scanned copy of a valid ID handy. A USA phone number, like Google Voice, will also help. Wondering about limits? You can load up to $15,000 daily and monthly. For spending, you can use up to $5,000 per transaction. To open your account, start by connecting your IP to a secure site. Go to card.com and choose a Visa debit card. Hit the Sign Up button, enter your details, and provide the code sent to your USA number. Next, fill in your address and choose your monthly deposit amount between $2,000 to $10,000. Select your employment type and funding source. Finally, input your SSN, create a password, and check your email for a confirmation message. Once logged in, your dashboard will provide your account and routing number. Now, let's discuss cashing a check on your Card Premium Bank account. Log in to the mobile app, click Move Money, and then Deposit Check Funds. Snap a photo of your check and wait 2 days for the funds to clear. There are several benefits to the Card Premium Bank account. You can link apps like PayPal and Venmo, make direct deposits, and collect loan money. This account handles personal and cashier checks seamlessly. In summary, the Card Premium Bank account offers regular financial services without a fee. Remember the limits: $15,000 for deposits and $5,000 for spending. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Now that you know how to open and use your Card Premium Bank account, take control of your finances today.